Hello class 8. In this video, I will discuss with you two chapters. Lesson number 24 Plants Yield Timber and lesson number 28 Martial Art from General Knowledge. You know very well that plants yield timber means wood. In this video or in this particular lesson, I have written some names of plants from bamboo to teak and important features of this particular plants are written. Why? Because these plants play very important role for some various purposes. Now, which I will discuss to you. First of all, I have written bamboo. Bamboo, you know very well, it is a very popular plant. Bamboo is a grass and it grows in abundance. Not only in India but all over the world. It is very hard, but it is very flexible, and it is used for making furniture, for making ladders and for papers. The second very important plant name is mahogany. Mahogany is a type of plant and it produces high quality timber or high quality wood, which is very important for making furnitures, a good quality furnitures. Third very important plant name is oak. Oak is very strong and durable, means it can survive for a long time, and it is also used for as a firewood as well as for making the homeware, etc. Then next very important plant name is walnut. Walnut gives hard timber or hardwood, and it is used for interior purposes of the houses and offices. After then you may see the next important plant is sal. Sal, give or yield hard timber or wood, and you may see the leaves of sal is used for what? For or by the tribal peoples for making bowls, for making basket, etc. Actually, these bowls and baskets are not only used by this tribal people, but they also sell these important items, and it is very good source for their livelihood. After then you may see the last very important plant which I will discuss to you, that is known as the teak. Teak is observed as the native to India. Native to India means just before 2000 years. This particular teak plant is familiar by the Indians. That is why it is known as the native to India. And this particular teak name is derived from the Malayalam word tekka. And this particular teak is basically used for the furniture or for making furnitures. My dear student, I have discussed these all important plants, and these important plants give or produce these important timber, and which is used for these important purposes. And after then I will discuss to you lesson number 28, that is known as the martial art. First of all, you may see the martial art is related with the self defense or related with the protection. So the term martial is derived from the word Mars. Mars is related with the god of war. Actually, it is the matter of discussion that where and from when this particular martial art is started. But at present we find that various martial art are used in various countries, and I will discuss in this particular lesson the names or the important features of the martial art which I have written in this whiteboard. The first is Aikido. Aikido is related with the Japanese martial art, and this particular martial art is used for the self-defense or the self-protection. The second very important martial art is written Hapkido. Hapkido is introduced where? In Korea. So it is a Korean martial art, Hapkido, and it was introduced by Chai Yong, and it is also used for the self-protection or self-defense. The third very important martial art is Judo. Judo is familiar for us also, And if you will see that this is a Japanese martial art, and it was introduced by Jigoro Kono in which year? In the year of 1882. Student, you know that this particular martial art judo was also introduced where? In Olympic sports. And judo is also, you know, means of judo is the gentle way. The next very important martial art name is jujutsu. Jujutsu is also, you know, is a type of martial art, and it is related with the Japan. Actually, when this particular martial art jujutsu was, you know, introduced, it was introduced or used in such a manner that when this particular martial art will be used at that time, the energy of the opponent will be used for the defeat of the opponent. So in this particular jujutsu martial art, such type of technique is used. And the next one is karate. Karate is also very important martial art, and it is also very familiar for us. You may see that karate is related with the Ryukyu island of Japan. Means it was introduced in the Ryukyu island of Japan. And in this particular karate, we used, or the karate users used the open handed technique in this particular martial art for the self defense. And at last, you may see here I have written Tai Chi. Tai Chi is also a type of, you know, martial art, but when we use this particular martial art, it is very beneficial for our health, or it enhances the internal power those who, you know, use this particular martial art Tai Chi. So in this video I have discussed two lessons, lesson number 24 and lesson number 28. I hope you understood this video. Thank you very much.